June 24th, 2003. Storm chaser Tim Samaras is in Tornado Alley looking for trouble.
This thing turned into a big gust front.
His goal? To place as many scientific probes as possible directly in the path of a giant twister. The trick? Do it without getting killed. The perfect conditions are forming near a tiny town called Manchester.
Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornadic thunderstorm running southwest of Wisconsin.
Tim and his teammates drive towards an enormous thundercloud. About 7 miles out, a tornado starts taking shape.
Oh, look at the laminar tube.
He tries to get closer, but no roads lead in the right direction.
Oh, let's take this and go up and around.
This is a dangerous storm. Take shelter immediately.
I'm gonna wait until it gets right angle.
Take cover now.
He outraces the tornado for a few miles.
We took the road heading east, basically going right into the path of the tornado. North. Okay, good.
One probe down, 5 to go.
Oh, we're gonna get a hit!
The chasers estimate it's at least an F4 tornado with winds over 200 miles an hour. A twister this fierce can destroy a well-built house and turn a mobile home into a missile.
That was good, I think.
Tim's probes will record wind speed, barometric pressure, and other data if the tornado sweeps directly overhead. The more he deploys, the better the chances. But remaining close to a twister is a dangerous game. The tornado destroys a nearby farmhouse, a reminder of what 200-mile-an-hour winds can do. Still, Tim is determined to deploy the last of his 6 probes.
We need to drop one. Yeah, we don't have time. Don't have time. We don't have time. Seriously. He was saying that, but I was thinking something else. I was already out of the car. I grabbed the probe, I put it on the ground, I jumped in. I deployed in 5 to 7 seconds.
Then suddenly, the tornado turns on them.
It's coming back on the road. Coming right at us, too. We gotta put another one.
Twisters can accelerate at speeds of 70 miles an hour. This one is only 100 yards away and approaching fast.
Listen to it!
If it catches up, it will throw their van through the air, then crush it like a tin can. The driver goes as fast as he can, but the tornado seems to be getting closer. The twister chases the van down the road, then, at the very last second, turns away and loses power. They escape unharmed.